Conscience Sassage and Condoncho, come on, which is a goal Neil. Oh, Shimi Harn Sasnon. He's going to do a kick or finish the moon conscience. Agus per slattery, well, law with a cluggan. Ha ha, Shashinagol Stach, Achniacha, Agus kick him off of his own.
Yeah, agus má brenn with the Riche, Catherine Biddle just grusha ar an Lena. Sinead Sarah McKevitt to Glana on Lena.
Yeah, Royer Keane to Hagin Shot. Slattery, Agus McKevitt, Agus in Chin. Okay, lovely. Lovely moves, Nishta Shelbourne, took a canvas at a Cluiche shot. Oh, flick Dasik. Kayla, Noel Murray, Agus Erocht, Haven of a Clay. And Thompson. Each Noel Murray, flick big das, Cluiche's boss, Agus Hannah Healy, Viamake, Agus Nirshi Wadas.
Yeah, tá Hannah Healy, Agus Noel Murray, tá she gimmert gama, tá co-immert, Agus co-hishkin.
Take a Dasik, Brennan on team puller Healy. One you saw in Bohemians-1 on see Agus Shelvis forward do such it. Sarah Power and girl TV shit. Get just Gargan to Mag, Sarah Power, Tershi free, Ords on them Immert Fad, a Bows. Agus well for Sarah Power, cool once to try and that. Hookshi free, Immert one, Jean Louise.
Yeah, bhí sé sin anha sóir iirecht bhaid Sarah Power an sin. Becker ar an scíl agus an smachttatá eici ar an líróid chuine síos sa chean. Ní raibh sé sin bhád ró as an cúil.
Yeah, no sin pasta beidir sóir. Agus Conscian Gar. Banísh Gancha Ord. As he chéad plug and grúte agus he's just a goal. Tá she's just a goal. Agus he fought it at Kate Mooney. I have a slattery on Kate on. Agus in Chin Mooney, that's the goal. Agus well, Durban got push a chance. On Kate kick on out. After on cool fought to go on Doricon. Agus Visha Tiert.
Yeah, Visha Tiert, the Tamla News. Agus Visha Shin Anwa, why Kate Mooney. Agus Sarah McKevitt, both on Shin Erlina Gabos, Visha Kiri. Bulakina all connection of Glana, Machas and Nina, the Mia or he on Thompson. A fair sin why Kate Mooney sin go hall on her fad agus tiltte go mag Shelbourne.
Agus in Ceanna Rú Perth Slattery, you know. Will Bowles on Cluiche and Raggarts. Oji, Ceann Contoach, Ashin Grúte, oh, post the Bulse. Oh, we should need to say it's got Churistach, no Chulin outside, it's a post the Bulse, Bohemians. Oji, Nishigan Contoach, which is non Chantrahu. Conscian Ards, Don Cheryl, Charish. Perth Slattery, Shannon School in Euro Grammy got clicking. Misha Shachfadalo, Ashin Grúte, Egg Power, to the Dastic Sarah Power, Agus will pick kick, Tommy Kepa go in. Agus is fáin nach an rud a Harlan to Cluiche Sacar. Agus well, Noel Murray, Hashi Branu, Agus Intas and Intas there Kutsula. Tommy Kepa, Garhan she sheer law of Sarah Power, ficking with the Chod Ishta. Louise, oh, and you're more on the row.
Yeah.
Aren't you sheer law of and you know she tangled in the Costa.
And Roshi Tivan with the Buska.
Oh, and you're more on than Chin. Nish Captain the Baitin Roy get a go shell with Noel Murray. Court to kick Edike. Well, Tasha Tucky. Agus Nira more on Chin. Should chance Alana McAvoy. Nafonia for a whole score. Agus Aruella a chud scale na stra the blian the shot. Oh, hula kit. Gadisha Sra. When she on in Conscian Wall. Contra bugs it. That's the goal. California for score. Agus kick Edike. Cool it Bowes. Agus Alana McAvoy. Agus toss at Louise go cool for the Bowes and Hustle to cool.
Well, she ain't got out. Look, talking to show. Cause she son of Sasta. Agus Bohemians with her Bowes and she thought she's a careful. You know, thought why she did plan all her reach. Sator on Dara cool. Shelbourne, Noel Murray. How Ian has on down there. He can shoot Keane Paul. Gert Pinos is on.
Cleason the Fornia. Conscience into Gadasaku. Smachty Gadas. What's it Fleming? Agus Kevin McAvoy. Hamola. Ishal. Oh, she's still Neil. Ashanta Chagatella. So well into Dente McQuillan. Honig Fleming is staff and Chin. Agus well. Rinne McQuillan. Botuni Keder baited. Honig Fleming is staff. Hangushi the Shalirods. Hesco McKevitt. Agus McAvoy. Heshwa go. McAvoy. What she can't. Anna Rua. Han cool by the Krog and Thompson. Tá Shelbourne Cratton shot.
Yeah, tá she gone out agus an céadíirecht by Lana McAvoy. Bhí go leor cuach tí fíor go don íirecht agus díime sé as léir an McQuillan ach, you know, an dar íirecht
das níos go Greenish agus Spórt Conscience Sassy Murray Tríán Conchal Murray tosta builte Noel Murray hanga she go holy lay ní a chance a Rachel Kelly ach an tosta céanar bhfuil bós a géile a builte Murray sa dáda
squishy urcher an sin charach
Lona Casa and siad bós le ceart an láide Ava Brennan she passed Nina Passion Crean foster Asha go vertical shot Crua so an Rachel Richard failed to Ava Brennan to free or they gave it Angus Rowards vertical shot failed to Some Tim Rogue Shapen and Dig Ushin Country Kroger Hookshy free begging Rowards ach an isisiid shells at Tullachal Fada is able to run the park east Barn Slattery take a she hingama Nachal Jahart and Tawa to one let Boo and shot Fada is Glanta Gama Egg Bulls Conscience Smarty Costa Agus Rachel Kelly boy Agus Jim McQueen Costa for she's supposed to hin Isha Crean after my napper go in Imro Bezos Bulls Lech Hush Gancha and Hookshan Huachta Fad on the earth.
Word Trassa, Sarah, congratulations, Lake na Himmer and Ucht. What a shift you put in. You didn't stop running. We were just joking there before we came on how much your tracker's going to say later. Happy with your performance?
I am, yeah. I still think me and the girls, we think we could have went on and got a result out of it. But it wasn't just me to put a shift in. From player 22 on the bench, 24 sorry, on the bench, all the way up to player 1. Like, everyone puts a shift in every single week, and the 11 that was on that pitch and the subs that came on, we all played our role in getting that point, and we could have even went on to get 3 in the end.
You came out of the traps in the second half. What was the change at halftime you made that was that step ahead?
To be honest, I think coming off the loss against Cork last week, we were kind of like, it was hitting everyone really hard because we felt we could have got something in that game, but in the first half we weren't playing our style of football, and in the second half we were like, look, we've nothing to lose, like, give absolutely everything. It's only 45 minutes, and the shift that we put in the second half, I just think it was brilliant. So it was from absolutely all the girls, and the halftime talk that Ken gave us, it was brilliant. He motivates us every single week, and yeah, we're very grateful for it.
Motivation coming in tonight could be seen as putting a big dent in your neighbours' title hopes. They're up against it now. Was that a driving factor for you?
Yeah, to be honest, I think the biggest driving factor, as I said, was the loss against Cork, because we were coming in, we were very hurt too, and we were like, look, it's a game that we feel we could have got something out of, and bows and shells, it's always a rival that's going to be there, and we were coming in, and it was, everyone came today and just zoned completely on the task that was ahead of us, and to take a point or 2 extra points off them it's just like, yeah, it's great. So it is, because now it puts them in a tricky situation, and sure, look.
And come here, we'll look ahead the rest of the season now. What's the goal?
The goal is to get as many points as possible from the rest of our games. This season, I think it's been more of a development for us as a team. Like, we are kind of seen as like a new team, but we've all gelled brilliantly, and it's more like a family now than what it is a team of football players. So this season we're going to try and max out the amount of points we can get in the rest of our games, and next season we're going to hit it all running, go for everything hopefully.
It's a Pearl Tave and Shaw. Pearl, usually a draw away from home in a derby isn't something to be sniffed at, but when you're in a league title run and the pressure is on, seems to be an air of disappointment around Shells now after that.
Yeah, look, naturally you come here to win the game, so it probably feels like a defeat now, but you know, with a really good first half, we come out in the second half, and yeah, look, you come out of this game with a draw, you're naturally disappointed. If we're being totally honest, did we deserve to get a goal in the second half? I don't know. Pretty even. And look, in this league, there's no game or 3 points that are guaranteed. And, you know, sometimes you think a winner will come, but it didn't tonight, and we move on. Look, a lot of football still to be played, so still very proud of the girls. You know, we gave it as much as we could tonight. It wasn't to be, so we'll move on.
And you said there, first half you were flying, maybe didn't capitalise enough on that, and then second half weren't as good. So was it the fact that both stepped up, or do you think nerves might have had something to do with it?
No, I don't think we were nervous. We're well used to these positions. You know, fair play to both. Did a good second half, and with some half chances, but probably not enough to create the score. I know Noel hit the post, but other than that, I'm not sure we had or created enough to get the 3 points. And look, that's football. Sometimes you have to take it. We move on as a group together, as always, and yeah, we keep going. A lot of football to be played, as I've said.
And speaking of football to be played, a tough enough run in, you have to go play Galway, and you're kind of looking for 2 favours for teams against that loan. You're up against it, but how do you feel?
we just think about the next game. Other teams have tough games as well. You're probably looking for other teams to do you a favour now. It's out of your hands, but crazier things have happened, and we'll see how it goes. We'll take it. Treaty, I think it's next, and we won't look beyond that.
Happy with that?
Yeah, look, we're happy with the second half performance. Like I was just saying to you, first half we were not happy at all. That's not the style of football we like to play and stuff. So, look, we went in at half time, had a good talk, good look at ourselves, and we proved in the second half that we're more than capable.
And that first half, what were you unhappy with? Was it the style of play you ended up playing, or were forced to play?
Yeah, no, look, I think it was actually lack of energy from ourselves. We were doing things, I know we were under the cosh a little bit, but we were doing things that isn't ourselves, a little rushed passes or playing it out, so look, it was a lack of energy overall, so we went in and fixed that for the second half.
Yeah, I was chatting to Sarah there, and she said that the manager had a few words to say, and he came out the second half out of traps flying. And you think he could have nicked it in the second half? Yeah,
look, as you said, as the manager should come in and have a go. Like we weren't ourselves, and come on, we're in Dalymount. So we're delighted that we came out in the second half, and I think we definitely should have nicked it. But in this day and age, you have to take your chances.
And is it a bit sweeter that you may have stopped neighbours from winning the league?
Look, there's a good few games left to go, but if it happens, it happens.